the pages of God's holy word, desiring to lower her standard. They watch every move that she made. They long to find fault with her, but really they find no mistake. I am glad I have known of her beauty. I am proud that my name is on her book. For I long to be one, never fearful. The face of my Savior too. When he cometh descending from heaven on the clouds as he rides in his glory, I'll be joyfully carried to